Making your way in the world today takes everything you've got. Taking a break from all your worries sure would help a lot. Wouldn't you like to get away? Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came. You wanna be where you can see our troubles are all the same. You wanna be where everybody knows your name.
Welcome to What's Happening for Friday, June the 6th through Thursday, June the 12th. Hi, Ed Furby, PR Director for Nashville Franklin Lodge number 72. Let's get started. Please remember, lunch is available Tuesday through Sunday. So if you're out and about or you work in Franklin, you know you're going to have lunch. Why don't you stop by and enjoy it here? Please remember, on Saturday, June 14th, Flag Day. Our Flag Day ceremony will be at the factory in the Commons area at 2 p.m. If you'd like to help, please contact the Steam Loyal Knight, John Giardina. The free birthday drink program continues. Just show your ID to the bartender on duty to prove it is that special day that you came into the world, and we'll reward it with a free beverage. Daily Progressive. Come on in, sign the book, and if your name's pulled the next day, you are the winner of the Progressive Pot. Now, if that's not enough money to wet your whistle, remember, if you're a lottery player, we do sell lottery tickets. Alright, let's move on to the calendar. Friday, June the 6th, Smoke-Free Friday in the Lounge, and it'll be karaoke with Paul Thompson. And I'm sure a special guest may pop out. If you've never seen Paul before, come on out. It's a great show and a great time. Saturday, June the 7th. Enjoy a day at the pool, then stay for our spaghetti dinner and silent auction as we continue to raise money to help a fellow elk who's having some of issues at the moment. I was advised today that there is a vintage guitar for sale with Alan Jackson's signature plus 6 other country superstars. So if you are a big country fan, this might be your opportunity to own a piece of country history. Sunday, June the 8th, enjoy the pool and enjoy lunch poolside. Come on out, the kitchen opens at 1. Monday, June the 9th, bingo at 7 p.m. I understand this is a great event, and as soon as I get off the road, I know I'm going with my daughter who's home for the summer. Tuesday the 10th, the lodge is in session at 7 p.m. Moving on to Wednesday the 11th. Remember, it is game night, so come on out and play cards or your favorite board game with your brother and sister Elks. And then round out the week on Thursday, June the 12th with trivia. Once again, we have new champions, but in fairness, the Wild Ones were on vacation, so they weren't there to defend as Onyx took the trophy. Now, will Onyx keep it, or will your team dethrone them? When you win, not only do you have the trophy on your table, but you have won a gift certificate, we actually call it a prize certificate, of $40. That's good in the lounge. Second place is $20, and third place is $10. Now, trivia players, please remember that on Facebook and Twitter at 4:30, one free answer for that evening's game will be given. Now, we encourage you, if you have not done so yet, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter so you will have the most up-to-date information. Also, please subscribe to this, our YouTube channel. Now, if you are watching this and you are not an elk, come on over to 485 Oak Meadow Drive here in Franklin, tour the facilities, ask us some questions about who and what the Elks are. We'd love to tell you. Now, if you prefer, you can give us a call at 615-591-5664 or email us at bpoe.nashville@gmail.com for information on becoming an elk. And we also ask you to stay and watch our video on Who Are the Elks. Until next time, I'm Ed Furby. See you at the lodge and in the lounge.